Welcome to Product Critique, where we provide in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. In today's episode, we'll be diving into the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7700 XT Gaming OC 12G graphics card. This graphics card boasts impressive specs, including 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, 3x WindForce fans, and more. We'll cover its features, performance, and whether it's worth the investment. The GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7700 XT Gaming OC 12G is a high-performance graphics card designed for gaming enthusiasts. It's powered by the AMD Radeon RX 7700 XT chipset and features 12 GB of GDDR6 memory with a 192-bit memory interface. One of the standout features is the WindForce cooling system, which includes 3 fans for efficient heat dissipation. This keeps the card running cool even during intense gaming sessions, ensuring optimal performance. The graphics card comes equipped with RGB fusion, allowing you to customize the lighting to match your gaming setup. Personalize the aesthetics with various lighting effects and colors. The GIGABYTE RX 7700 XT Gaming OC includes a protection metal backplate that not only adds durability but also enhances the card's aesthetics. The real question is, how does it perform? This card is designed for high refresh rate gaming at 1440p resolution. It's capable of delivering smooth gameplay with impressive frame rates and modern titles. The card offers DisplayPort and HDMI outputs, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of monitors and display setups. At a price of $439.99, it's important to consider whether the performance and features justify the cost. We'll discuss how it stacks up against similar options on the market. We'll briefly touch on user reviews, both positive and negative, to provide a balanced perspective. To wrap it up, we'll summarize the key points discussed in the review. We'll give our final thoughts on whether the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7700 XT Gaming OC 12G graphics card is a worthwhile investment for gamers. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews on our channel.